How to underclock your CPU for lower temperature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can underclock your CPU for lowering your device's temperature. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first step is head over to your search bar on your start and search for edit power plan. So there you go, this is the one. Simply open up your edit power plan and it should take you to this page. Now after you here, head over to change advanced power settings. Tap on it. After you tap on it, here you will see different options. Head over to processor power management. After you tap on it, head over to maximum processor state. After you expand on it, you will just have to change this and change it to 90, even on battery and even when plugged in. Since it's 100, change it to 90, and after you do that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After you do that, you will have underclocked your CPU's processor time to lower your device's temperature. And that's basically it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.